In this short video, we would quickly look at vitamin B2, or otherwise known as riboflavin. So vitamin B2 or riboflavin has two distinct structures. One is the dimethyl isoalloxazine ring that you can see here, and the D-ribitol, which is a sugar moiety. Now, vitamin B2 is found in mostly beef liver or any other kind of animal liver, whole milk, fish, leafy vegetables such as spinach and lettuce, legumes, and many kind of cereals. Now, the active form of riboflavin is either FMN or FAD. So flavin mononucleotide or flavin adenine dinucleotide. So first, flavokinase converts riboflavin to FMN. Then this is just a modification, as it's a kinase enzyme. It's just adding a phosphate group to the riboflavin moiety and forming it an FMN. Later on, there is FAD synthase, which converts FMN into FAD. Remember that FMN and FAD are the formats of the coenzyme for several metabolic processes. And most of important metabolic processes are carbohydrate metabolism and fatty acid metabolism for the enzymes which use FMN and FAD as a coenzyme. Let us take an example. So here we have our FAD, which is the coenzyme of this particular enzyme. Forget about the name for now, but it works like an electron acceptor or a hydrogen acceptor. So what happens is this FAD, which is attached to the enzyme, it would be reacting, and after the reaction it would be reduced to FADH2, but at the same time it works in oxidation reaction, so the substrate would be oxidized but the FAD would be reduced to FADH2. And here you can see the two hydrogens which are added into the isoalloxazine ring. Now, in citric acid cycle, one of the important steps is conversion of succinate to fumarate, and this process is triggered by succinate dehydrogenase. As the name suggests, dehydrogenation reaction, and it is triggered by dehydrogenase. And it's the oxidation step, right? Now, if you look at it into details, so succinate dehydrogenase converts succinate into fumarate. And at the same process, FAD is reduced to FADH2 in this reaction. So now we can understand how important is the riboflavin derived FAD for this kind of glucose metabolism pathway or overall metabolism. Now, seriously, there is very less deficiency in case of riboflavin because in intestine there are microflora which can really synthesize B2. But many of the pathological conditions of other vitamin deficiencies like pellagra, like beriberi, these accompanies with a vitamin B2 deficiency as well. Now, the major symptoms of the deficiency is cheilosis. That means a rash or redness near the lips. Other kind of symptoms includes glossitis, which means some pathological alteration of the tongue, because glossa means tongue. Here you can see the tongue become purple or magenta color, and that is the clinical manifestation of vitamin B2 deficiency or riboflavin deficiency. At the same time, you have circumcorneal vascularization, or you have like more vascular cornea. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a quick thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.